Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Syncee for inventory automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Syncee for inventory automation, begin by logging into your Syncee account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the settings section on the left-hand menu. Click on settings to open the configuration options. From the settings menu, find and select the API keys option. Here, you will see any existing API keys and the option to create a new one. To generate a new API key, click on the Create New API Key button. Label your new API key for easy identification. After naming the key, click on the Generate button. Once generated, copy the API key provided. Next, log into your e-commerce platform where you want to integrate Syncee. In your e-commerce platform, navigate to the app or integration settings. Look for the option to add a new integration or app. Select Syncee from the list of available integrations. You will be prompted to enter your API key. Paste the API key you copied from Syncee into the designated field. After entering the API key, verify if any additional settings are required. Adjust any necessary settings to ensure seamless integration. Once everything is configured, save your changes. Now, return to Syncee and check for the successful connection status. If the connection is successful, you are ready to start automating your inventory. To verify that the automation is working correctly, conduct a test run. Monitor the results to ensure products are syncing as expected. If you encounter any issues, refer back to both Syncee and your e-commerce platform's documentation. This concludes the authentication process for Syncee inventory automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.